Hi guys, in today's video I will walk you through the simple steps to log in into your Oman Arab Bank online banking account in Oman so that you can access your money, make the payments and manage your finances in just a few clicks. First of all, you need to come here on omanarabbank.com. I will also put the link of the website down in the description. This way it would be very easy for you to come here on the official website of Oman Arab Bank. Over here on the home page itself, you will see a bunch of different options. Among these, simply hover over to this one that says OAB online. Once you hover over here, you are going to see two further options in front of you. The first one is the personal banking and the second one is the corporate banking. So you can select the personal banking if you are logging into your individual account. You can also choose the corporate banking if it is your business account. If I click on the corporate banking account, it is going to redirect you over here on the next page where you will be shown the login screen. Over here, you just have to provide your username and your password and make sure that there is no extra spaces or spelling error. So once you have entered your login details over here on this page, simply click on the option of login. Now here, if you have activated any kind of authentications over here, you will be getting an OTP on your registered mobile number. So you need to simply verify your identity with that, and this way you will be able to basically log in into your Oman Arab Bank online banking account in Oman without any trouble. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more quick and easy banking tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.